Come test drive the 2026 2500. Ram 2500 is the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, steel wheels, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.